Are great white sharks warming to UK waters? With climate change warming seas, experts predict we could see these endangered ocean predators closer to our shores. These giant predators, with an average length of 15 to 16 feet, are regularly spotted in the colder waters off South Africa, which are a similar temperature to that of Devon and Cornwall, but are yet to be confirmed to visit our waters. Devon and Cornwall are two of Britain's largest shark hotspots, with an estimated 10 million small and 100,000 larger sharks across 40 different species said to already be swimming in the seas around the UK. Sharks, especially great whites, eat a lot of seals as part of their diet, and there are over 43,000 harbour seals and 90,000 grey seals in the UK. Being among the only warm-blooded fish, great whites get most of their energy from their food, and one of the best sources of energy comes from fat, and seals have a lot of that, which makes the UK a tempting hunting ground. Great white sharks have been reported in the UK since 1965, and the Shark Trust states that there have been over 100 credible sightings of great white sharks in the last 10 years. The great white, just like us humans, is endothermic, which means they have to regulate their internal body temperature and are able to have a body temperature which is cooler or warmer than the surrounding water. This means they are able to travel in waters where the temperatures can range anywhere between 2.7 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, pretty much anywhere, except for polar regions. Some experts are now predicting a rise in sightings of certain species of sharks, such as great hammerhead, blacktip and sand tiger, due to the impact of global warming. Climate change is causing oceans to become warmer, forcing sharks to migrate further north to colder waters. A prediction has been made that more sharks will spread from warmer regions such as the Mediterranean Sea over the next 30 years. So do we have great whites in the UK? Probably, and even more so due to the warming oceans. Keep your eyes peeled next time you take a dip.